Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to find story memories on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, so let's get started. First of all, you open Facebook app. Tap on Facebook app and go to three dot icon menu and go down setting and privacy. Tap on setting and go down tap on stories, and you can see that what is your stories, who can see your stories. Allow others to share your public stories to their own stories. Allow people to share your stories if you mention them. Allow followers to reply to your stories, archiving your stories. Tap on allow others to share your public stories to their own stories. Already my archiving stories is on. And next step, go down, you tap on activity log and tap on archive and tap on story archive. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.